Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my second video of my PHP basic series. So today I'm going to show you how you can install a development web server so that you can start developing a PHP web application. Okay, so let me switch my system to Windows. I believe most of you are using Windows operating system. So let's download some software. Okay, so the software that I'm going to install is called XAMPP, XAMPP. So XAMPP is actually a package of many software to pack together into one big package so that you can install everything at once. All right, so you can Google it for XAMPP and it will appear first result. So you click on it. Okay, all right, so you scroll down a little bit. There will be 3 download buttons for different version of Windows, Linux and OS X. Okay, so for us we can download Windows if this is a Windows operating system. So I already download a copy over here. No, this one. Okay, XAMPP Windows and 64-bit. Okay, double click it to install it. Okay, so for Linux and Mac, the interface will look very similar to what Windows has over here. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, these are the package that is included, so you can untick those that is not necessary, right? So I'm going to install everything. Okay, I don't care, just install everything. And remember that this is a development installation. Okay, development. It should not be used as a production server. So this is a folder. Okay, normally I won't change it. Okay, just next. So English. Okay, next, and start installing. Okay, I will come back when installation is finished. The installation will take some time. You just have to wait until it's finished. Okay, the installation will prompt you this dialog. Most probably we are going to use this as development, so we are not going to check this public networks, right? So but we allow private network. Okay, just click allow. Okay, installation completed. Do you want to restart the control panel? Yes, finish. Alright, you will have one control panel. Okay, this is the easier part of the software, so that you can control whichever server that you want to run and or run it automatically. Okay, the first that we are going to start is the Apache. Okay, let's start it. For now, I think you need only 2 services, MySQL and this one also has same thing. Yeah, MySQL is actually a service, so you want to allow only private. Don't go any public networks, as it will not be accessed from outside of your PC. Okay, of course you want to set it as service. Okay, let's configure both services to start automatically. Auto start of modules, Apache and also MySQL. Alright. Okay, save. Access denied. Why? Okay, to start the software automatically during startup, we need to change the setting a little bit. and actually we need to run this application as administrator. Yeah, run as administrator. Okay, so that we can install the service and run the service at startup. So as you can see, the checkbox is a little bit different. So right now it's a red cross over here, meaning that it's not installed as service yet. Okay, we want to install it as service. Okay, click yes. Okay, alright, just now was disabled because I'm not running this XAMPP control panel as administrator. Okay, just click it. Yes. Then only you start it. Okay, you have to install the services first, then only you start it. If you have already started the service, then stop it first before you install it. So we need only these two. Okay, the rest we don't really need it. Okay, later maybe we will need it, but not now. Okay, not now. Okay, these two service after installed, you can try it now. You can try the service. Okay, you can type localhost, delete any web port that at the end, and wait for it to complete. Bingo! Now you have a local web server installed. See this? So this is actually a XAMPP, Apache, MariaDB, PHP per module. Okay, and PHP is running version 8. It's pretty latest, pretty recent. Okay, that's about it for today's lesson. So I wish you enjoy the lesson, and if you like the video, please smash the like button, and also share my video and subscribe to my channel, and do come back to the same playlist, right, for more videos about PHP. I will be sharing editors, text editors in my next video, so please stay tuned. All right, thank you very much, and and I'll see you again. Bye bye.